What is the national bird of India? Peacock, Indian peafowl. What is the national bird of the United States? Bald eagle. What is the national bird of the United Kingdom? European robin. What is the national bird of New Zealand? Kiwi. What is the national bird of Japan? Green pheasant. What is the national bird of Australia? Emu. What is the national bird of Canada? Canada, jay, gray jay. What is the national bird of South Korea? Oriental magpie. What is the national bird of Mexico? Golden eagle. What is the national bird of Brazil? Rufous-bellied thrush.